In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your alpha futures to Tradovate. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to open up alphafutures.com. From here it should bring something like this. And from here you'll simply need to go up to login and log into your account, either using your Gmail account or your email. From here it should bring something like this, and here you'll need to go over to dashboard down to account stats. And then from here, you'll be able to you'll need to go up to dashboard and then under Tradovate prop, well, you see an overview of all of your already existing Tradovate accounts inside of Alpha Futures. From here, you'll simply need to click on the specific one that you want to connect to Tradovate. And from here, you'll need to find the login credentials. You'll need the username and the password. From here, you'll need to go up to Tradovate up here in your browser. And then from here, you'll need to click login. You don't need to open an account, you'll simply need to click login. Once you've done that, you'll simply need to go up to the username and enter the specific username that Alpha Futures has provided with you, and the same thing with password. Once you've done that, you'll simply need to click login. From here, you'll simply need to go down to start trading, and then from here, you'll be able to start trading from your Alpha Futures account inside of Tradovate. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!